edition of True Mix Masters present True Tuesdays. My name is Quentin Coles. I go to moniker aka Mixmaster Q, aka your favorite bartender's favorite bartender when bartending. This week we got a special cocktail we presenting. Since it's the holiday season, Thanksgiving's around the corner, we're about to teach you how to make a fire apple cider. Now we have our drink out the way. Let's go over the recipe that it takes to make a fire apple cider. You need fireball, spice apple cider, and cinnamon sticks. Now we have our ingredients out the way. Let's make this bad boy. Our first step in making a fire apple cider, we have to warm up our hot cider. Walk you through the process of warming up hot cider. I'm actually gonna turn my eye up the high. I'm gonna let the eye get red. We're gonna take our pot, place it on the stove. Then we're just gonna pour our liquid in there. We're gonna let that thing boil and get hot. And then this is gonna be the warm cider we use. Now we have our cider warm. The recipe calls for 1 ounce fireball. And we're gonna fill the rest of it with warm cider. And to finish our recipe, we're gonna add 2 cinnamon sticks. And that, my friends, how you make the perfect fire apple cider. Thank you for tuning in for another special edition of True Mix Masters present True Tuesdays. This is what we like to try to showcase a drink each and every Tuesday. Feel free to go on our social media platforms. We on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. Like and subscribe. Until next week, stay true, my friend.